I'm a 50-year-old homeschooling mom. I've been homeschooling for about 20 years, and we've been on a single income for a long time and budgeting and living within our means. But recently, about 4 or 5 years ago, I used to work for a major tech giant, and I had some stocks that were underwater, so didn't think much about it and totally forgot I even had them. And lo and behold, a couple of years ago, it just went crazy. And so now all of a sudden I have a great amount of net worth, I guess. But when I log in and see my account, I have up to about 18 million right now, but I don't know what to do with it. And it's all tied up in one stock, which makes me a little nervous. And you know, I've never done a whole lot of online investing or anything like that. So wanted to see if you have some advice for me.
Wow, that's awesome. I hate it when I log into my account and there's $18 million in there. Way to go!
Were you shocked? Like, did you wake up one day and log in and go, oh my gosh, are those zeros real?
No, you saw it coming.
You knew.
Well, no, I didn't. My husband actually said, hey, did you see what happened to your company? I'm like, no, because I was homeschooling. I was doing my normal things, and I actually didn't even know where my stock was. So I had to log into a couple of different companies and say, well, I hope my account is there.
Wow.
Still. So, yeah. So I found it eventually, and it's gone crazy still.
Okay. Wow.
At that point.
So you've held this for how long?
20 years.
And it was when you got it, it was an employee benefit, so your cost basis is zero?
I remember paying around $14 maybe when I left. I left when I was pregnant with my first son.
What's it trading for now per share?
I think it's 120 something, but it's been split 4 and then it's been split 10.
Oh,
a lot of stock splits.
When I left, it was only 3 something.
I got you.
So it was completely underwater, and I just filed it away somewhere. Didn't
just forgot about it. Okay.
Yeah,
well,
absolutely.
That strategy worked for you. It's not one I recommend, but I'm going with it. Okay. Hey, good job.
Right.
So fun. Okay. So what is your current household income?
So we're still on single income, about $250-ish.
Okay. All right.
So my husband also works for another tech giant. So
you need okay. If your household income is over 400, your capital gains rate is 20%. If it's under 400, it's 15%.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if you were to cash out enough of this that it took you up over 400, it's going to run your rate up, I think. Okay. So what you need is much better detailed advice, but I want you to sit down. I want you and your husband, who are both smart people, to learn exactly what your rates do as you move this around. It's very, very scary and unwise to leave all of your money in one thing, regardless of what the story is of how we got there.
I understand.
Okay. Because this thing turned right side up, but it used to be $3, and it could be that again, hypothetically. I doubt it, but it could be. Okay?
Right.
I'm not predicting that. I don't even know what the company name is. I don't want to know. It doesn't matter. The concept of diversification gives you safety, not having all your eggs in one basket, as they say, and you probably heard that, right?
Right, definitely.
So common sense says we need to get some of this off the table. The faster, the better, but being wise about tax rates as you do it.